go what?
You bend your knees.
You bend your knees.
Straight the back.
Straight the back.
Hands on front.
And then
V.
V.
V the V.
V.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you walk like this.
What the fuck? That's how kuya.
That's how you skate, guys.
So crazy.
That's how you skate, guys.
Where are you? Tour me around.
This is like
Hacienda.
Hacienda de la Travessia.
You're so crazy.
Like this.
You're so crazy. Look,
Before you skating,
I can see somebody there.
oh, it's your mother. No, just kidding. Just a kidding. No.
You're so crazy.
Me? No. I'm just normal.
No?
Normal illness.
No one is normal in this family.
This is normal illness.
Oh my gosh, you're so zoom. You're so zoom in.
This is normal illness.
Shut up, I'm storage. Hey, girl in red.